It's been a while since we did a Keeping It Kickstarter, but we're back. So what we have here is a product from ESR. They may be familiar to you. They've made a bunch of successful products, and I've had a bunch of their wallets through Kickstarter that are really good. Probably my favorite MagSafe wallets. And here is a MagMouse series that they've made. It's a wireless mouse, and it can go right onto your laptop via 3M and works really interestingly, so we're going to get into that. It shipped actually very quickly, probably the quickest thing I've ever had on Kickstarter ship, but I think these ESR is using Kickstarter in a way some of the other companies do that are more established, where they're so used to it that they're able to do these very seamlessly, and you really don't have to worry about whether or not you're actually going to get a product or not. So you got the dry wipe and the wet wipe here. And we have, this is the part that the mouse sticks to, and they have some recommended orientations, which is nice. Tech made easier, that's their tagline. That's everything in this box, so we're gonna put that off to the side. I went with the black mouse. Very sleek. Oh, I like the side texture here. Very nice. And here's the bottom. I'm trying to remember what the polling rate on this was. Don't remember exactly what it is, but you have the 2.4 gigahertz dongle right here. Pulls right out. And pops right out. I'm going to be honest with you, this feels incredibly light, the dongle. And then also one of the other features is always the ability to charge it with the mouse, so you'll never lose this charger as it is connected. So yeah, this is just an unboxing, but you can barely hear it, but we'll have more on this. But yeah, stay tuned. Let's also see how this actually sticks onto this. So the magnets are pretty strong. And I imagine once it's actually on your computer, feels very nice. It actually feels light, the mouse itself, and this magnetic base feels really soft as well, so very interesting. So you don't want to pull this bottom part off until you're really ready to orient it wherever you want to stick it to. But yeah, also was not the most expensive product. I want to say, obviously Kickstarter prices are always a little bit different. I want to say I paid 20 bucks for this, but you may pay a little bit more, maybe close to 30. I think there was incentive for signing up through Kickstarter, as there tends to be, usually a percentage off a retail price. But yeah, we'll get some long-term testing on this, and stay tuned for that.